If there's anything more annoying than the sound of medicine, it's phone calls. A voice yodeling off key in the most urgent manner and getting more attention than a crying baby on fire, or worse, a 3 alarm tragedy if it doesn't show up on TV. There's nothing more fit for news or gossip as a telephone grafted like noisy ivy for every ear, bell booted for buzzers, a ring-a-ding thing chatters like my teeth, crowned in a fever pulling all attention from our sun's supernova. To be fried from the eyeballs out as a wounded brain is bright and no one cares who is right. We all agree we've got to put out this screaming light, soothe awake a night, laid flat.
Entschuldigung,